Yeah, holla if you hear me. Yeah. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't blame me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a nine, get up.
Good morning, you guys. I haven't seen y'all in like a week, so welcome back. My name is Brianna Rochelle. If you are new here or if you haven't done it already, please make sure you click on that subscribe button down below. Today is Sunday, and y'all know how they say, like, thank God I don't look like what I've been through. Baby, I look exactly like what I've been through. It is 5:40 a.m. I have not slept like well this week, I guess, in a sense. I just slept for 5 hours just now, but I just wanted to come on here and open up the vlog for today. I'm gonna kind of take you guys along with me because I don't really vlog that much, but I want to start getting into it. I'm gonna get my nails done, and I'm going to Bitter and for brunch and chill, so I'm excited about that. But I'm gonna take a nap and kind of get a little bit more sleep, just because I'm off today. So I'm just gonna relax, and yeah, I do have some homework that I need to complete too. So let me get all of that out of the way, and then I'll check in with y'all later.
Hey, what can I get you going today?
Hi, I'd like to do the chocolate almond milkshake and espresso. And then I'll take that in the grande.
In a grande, okay, perfect. Yep. Anything else?
Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of her friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important. I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you pick up, I know he's not around. Oh, oh, oh. I'm just saying you could do better. I'm just saying you could do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you could do better. I'm just saying you could do better. And I'll start.
Yes. Card. Hey y'all, we on the way to Brunch. Look at the crazy driver, y'all. We finna die. And then here goes Shell. Why is she in that blanket, y'all? She's crazy. But anyway, I just thought I was doing a blazer, this like new bodysuit. I changed my shoes and my bag because baby, them shoes was hurting between the toes. But just got a little up to ponytail. She is crazy, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna chat with y'all when we get to the place because baby, I don't know if I'm gonna make it, okay?
It's the remix. See me up in the club with 11 girls. I'm stood in the back, got my things in my grill. Brooklyn brim with my eyes sitting low. Every boy in here with me got that smoke. Every girl in here gotta look me up and down. All on Instagram, paper about town. Circulate the image. Call them Nestle, they crunchy, man. Riding like a cowgirl, I'm a country fan. Ain't talking medicine, but I made a morphine. Ever since I put the cookie on quarantine. Like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. By the way, what he say? He can tell I ain't missing no meals. Come through and fuck him in my order. automobile, let him eat it with his grills. He keep telling me to chill, he keep telling me it's real, that he love my sex appeal. He said he don't like I'm bony, he wants something he can grab. So I pull up in a jag and I hit him with a jab like dun 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 dun. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with myself, at one with it. I can't let a goofy nigga come dumping it. I told boys shoot a shot, bust guns in it. I mean I know that you feeling me, I can tell that you feeling me. Acting like you was dead me, boy you really be killing me. How you digging me, egging me, boy you gotta be shitting me. Is you like a comedian? You gotta be kidding me.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge.
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him quiet on the set like zip. Like it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it, fast. The boy stop playing, grab my ass. Do a job. Shut it, save it, keep it pushing while you beating round the bush and knowing you want all this woman. All of them bitches hating, I have you with me. All of my niggas saying you mad committed. Realer than anybody, you had them pretty. All of the body, I need ass and titties. Mix Moscato, it's frizz in the bottle, it's Nicki full throttle, it's all. Swimming in the grotto, we winning in the lotto, we dipping in the pot of blue photo. Pink Ferragamo sliders on deck. Silly rap beats, just give me more checks. My life is a movie, I'm never offset. Me and my amigos, no, not offset. Swish, swish, I got them upset. But my shooters, I make them dance like dubstep. Swish, swish, my haters is obsessed. Cause I make M's, they get much less. Win, Nicki getting tan. Mirror, mirror, who's the fairest bitch in all the land? Damn, man, this bitch is a stand. The generous queen, a kiss a fan.
Drop the bass, main the bass, get it lower. Radio say speed it up, I just stay slower. High like trouble, huffing on the mids. The man ain't ever seen the booty like this. And why you think my name rolling off the tongue? So when you wanna smash, I just write another one. I sneeze on the beat and the beat got sick up. Don't say all on his mouth like this.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours.